everyone, it's Char from Char's Fashion Nation, and I'm making a brunch. Might be thinking, oh, you're making avocado toast. No, I'm making a toasted bologna and cheese sandwich with that, and I only need one of these. So I have my skillet preheating. Yeah, that should be hot enough. Okay, so I'm going to show you the assembly portion of this. Now, don't forget, I know a lot of people are like, ew, bologna? Yeah, because it's protein. That's why. Bologna. Because it's protein. And then we're going to take Colby Jack. Try to get this open because it's fresh. They didn't have any goat cheese, or I would have gotten some soft goat cheese. Gotta go with what I can get for now. That's in there. And an extra piece of bologna. That's the joke for the name. Now the bread is already buttered. So we're going to go ahead and put that down in the skillet like so. And I'm going to continue over here with the other fixing. I gotta turn it up a bit. Anyway, with the other fixing. So let me go ahead and show you how I did this. Now, when you make a sandwich, go like this. Now, you can either have that as the inside, but if you're doing the outside, like that, make sure you have it like this. That way, when you put it back together, these ends meet. They match. So, yes, I do use a spoon a lot. What about a butter knife? I don't always use a butter knife. A spoon will actually help you. Think about this in culinary history. Why did they have a jelly spoon or a spoon for jams and preserve? It does help to scoop it, as you can see. Put that back in there. And then we're going to come over here and we'll put those like that. This might make some sense now. Go like this. Obviously, try to spread it on the bread, not on this side of it. That's funny. And this is the spicy avocado. So, again, piece of bologna. We'll flip that one in a minute. Piece of cheese in the middle. They didn't have any good onions at the store either. I just started growing that shit myself. Anyway, I'm gonna put that back over there. Now that you've seen my process for assembling that, we're gonna go ahead, reach in here for the spatula. The dog's being a little turd this morning. I did, like, I told her skinwalker high five. She literally did it. She stood up on her hinds and gave me a high five. So, we have that little joke, skinwalker high five. So, this is going to continue to toast and then we'll be back. Now, there is always something to remember, is that gluten-free bread is not like your regular gluten bread. It does take a little longer to toast in the pan, unless you have it on a crazy medium high, which I don't cook on high because I don't like doing that. It's a kitchen, not a firehouse. also remember that when you're doing this, yeah, that the second sandwich will toast a lot quicker than the first one. Look at the nice crust on that sandwich. Might not be able to hear past the heat, not the heater, the air conditioner, but it's okay. That is okay. Now to make my sandwich. Assemble mine. Well, that one's cooking. And then mine won't take too long either. Because again, it's all nice and preheated and everything. And you know, when it comes down to your health, don't forget to add your proteins into your diet. Don't forget your potassium. Don't forget the good stuff, okay? Let's not forget to add those into our health, okay? Because that's what you need. Go ahead and check this one. This one should honestly take too long. I know that one's done. Assembly up. There we go. Anyway, I'll be back with mine done and we'll go out in the living room. Okay, it's Sunday. I don't really care what I look like. I made grilled bologna and cheese sandwiches and put the southern biscuits and gravy potato chips with it. I still have some coffee. I'm counting this as brunch. That right there. What do you guys think? I used one of those things in the avocado dip for all 3 sandwiches. I think it's good.
That's what I'm talking about. Gotta keep the profits low. The profits high.
Lately, we've been calling Rob Mr. Krabs. If you get it, you get it. I'm gonna put a potato chip on there and see how that flavor tastes. Did you do it?
Not yet.
Oh, do it. Put a potato chip on your sandwich, Rob. Freaking good. Oh my god. Protein, starch, carb, and flavor. Flavor. If you're gonna eat healthy, you don't have to eat bland. Death wish spit in this cup. Yeah, that's pretty freaking good. What do you think, Rob? And I know Steve will approve.
It's Rob approved.
What do you think, Steve? Does that enhance that flavor? Anyway, it's Steve approved, Rob approved, and Char approved. And I hope this helps you stay healthy, stay happy, stay positive, and always stay blessed. You know, I'm going to eat this, and I'll see you in the next one. Like I said, don't really care what I look like.